Hey guys, this is Calvin from InstaLOD. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install InstaLOD for VRED and showcase how data can be processed quickly and easily. To install InstaLOD for VRED, download the plugin from your InstaLOD Cloud account and copy the Python file into the VRED plugins folder located on your C drive in Documents, Autodesk, and specify the VRED internal version, which in my case is 13.0. And then place the plugin into the Scripts plugin folder. VRED can now be started. The InstaLOD for VRED plugin can be opened by navigating into the Scripts tab. InstaLOD for VRED includes the polygon optimizer, occlusion culling, and UV unwrapping. Additional options are available in the Setup tab, such as connecting to an InstaLOD grid server. To process a model in VRED using InstaLOD, specify the desired settings, select the desired mesh or outline hierarchy, and click the Process button. In this case, I will be doing an optimize using a maximum deviation of 0.2. When the process is complete, the optimized model will be imported back into the scene. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaLOD, please visit our website and follow us on Twitter. You can find all of the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.